Welcome to ChutneyPedia. I can't believe we waited so long to start cooking Baba Ganoush at home. I thought this delicious chutney was way more difficult to make than it actually is. We have been making this Lebanese recipe for a few months now and it is always a hit at home. Baba Ganoush is a way of rediscovering eggplants. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. You loved this recipe, isn't it? If you want to see more recipes, please subscribe ChutneyPedia. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram and stay connected. See you soon.